is welcoming to all the welcomers, and we are welcome to a new edition for Wazenin, baby, Wazenin, the program in Emna, what's happening. Today we have many goodies for you. I don't decide say today I will turn to English. Will they come back? Remember? My people them. Today for Wazenin, you know say we normally get one number three phases, and we'll get what Congosa news, we'll get what a wonderful thing them, and then after we'll get one young. Una don't understand, no? So we'll go for the first this and that way. This again now we say I did ever forget this thing. Now I about this. Congosa news. So normally they say Joan Gumba, they celebrate 10 years into journalism business. Mami, oh yeah. Yes. Now they find baby that. Hi, baby, you find oh yeah, crab head. You be the eye. That means you celebrate 10 years into journalism. Now that mami way it don't do plenty thing. It don't come go Nigeria, come back. They say no one establish for Cameroon. Then it start one or two things. So he be the celebrate 10 years is journalism. Mami Oya, I want to ask you something. Wait. Normal tradition for Africa na say we celebrate now picking a 1 year and then we celebrate a 50 years. You celebrate 10 years for waiting. What you don't do? You don't achieve waiting. If you say no, you celebrate 10 years, so you do call people. Say I'm you take time to apprendre ton temps avec les gens Say I celebrate 10 years, 10 years of non-achievement. Say I celebrate 10 years. My year again. Wait the way you celebrate 50 years. Oh, if you know say no, you have achieved something. You didn't know, mommy. That one advice. No celebrate 10 years. We no say 10 years no be biscuit. But you go for the one celebration where you know say no, you don't achieve something. Where you feel be proud of. Because me I don't know, me know nothing. I don't know. So to me personally, the one personal opinion, it doesn't count. It doesn't count. So remember who leave that one. We'll go for next news. The next news now say wait, we'll get so our illustrious Peking. It is for America. That boy na die. His name na Francis Ngannou. Hey, when I see man Peking, see as it stand. That man the box now for UFC. It the box now for UFC now. According to record, this young man get the highest. That means he get the highest punch. He wait for punch. That means he don't pass Mike Tyson. That's the way Mike Tyson will get the heaviest blow. Now he get the heaviest blow now. That means if he box you, according to where American people talk, say if he box you, he did say na small Yaris. When I know Yaris motor now, say he did say na small Yaris motor nag you. So this boy begin fight. When I understand now, it begin fight where it contest for the belt for UFC heavyweight. They beat the fool very badly. They beat the dog. That means the whole year they get to come. He come. I say they beat him very, very primarily. Do you want this one? They beat some man. When I bring that video out, I ever like to talk with proof. That man be been a music. Yeah, the my name. That man toast down Ganu. I don't know why Cameroon won't ever did so. Why Cameroon won't they ever did so? Music, it toast Ganu fine. It whippy. Oh, massa. Now we get the heaviest blow. Now the video that. See. Damn, this boy this so he begin a KO them before you want to fight the man. But see the carry it away for them. See, they beat here. See the cookie. See he miss. Hey, remember? Hey. Leave us go. I don't know why Cameroon will overget Ballot. They touch ye, they beat the dog. People go train you here. Go train. Because if you no train, it go wild for your side. You will get Palmares where no man of one fight you, people will be the run. Now so where they don't touch you. Oh. You go one fight any man, the man go just come. But no say you get small sense. Now the way you go show them play way foul the piece. I tell you, this boy this one now a lustrous somewhere. It need was support. For this kind of thing because it's not easy. And according to story, that man work at full foot before he reach for there. That man work at full foot. That means they come on go Libya, they say he's a slave. He come on go France. He start go fight now for there. And I want to tell you some small secret there. This boy this one support picking. Support picking they ever do good thing and ever go spoiler after. Why see they beat the man, the child ashamed for his chance. I said they whipping done. Massa. See no now the commercial news will be getting for one today. Me will go for one small musical break. Engineer, put music. Put any music. Anyone.
Danse avec moi. Loco. Dis-moi. Autour de moi ça meurt de jalousie. Baby go partout, je suis indécis. La vibe est bonne, ça ne vient pas d'ici. Danse avec moi. Certains me regardent comme le messie. D'autres diront toujours je suis petit. Quand on veut le genre, crie famille. Danse avec moi. Regarde autour de moi. Et dis-moi ce que tu vois. Regarde autour de moi. On rit, on pleure, on vit, on meurt. À quoi ça sert de se prendre la tête? Danse avec moi. Ma chérie, mon bébé, danse avec moi. Ma chérie, mon bébé, danse avec moi. Ma chérie, mon bébé, danse avec moi. Yeah. Mais où sont les vrais amis? Plus j'avance, plus je ne sais plus. Plus je compte sur la famille, plus j'ai tendance à être déçu. Ils croient que tu brises, ils disent partout tu brises, mais ne vois pas ta souffrance en coulisses. They don't see you work. Hustle hard, play hard, Regarde autour de moi. Et dis-moi ce que tu vois. Regarde autour de moi. On rit, on pleure, on vit, on meurt. À quoi ça sert de se prendre la tête? Danse avec moi. Ma chérie, mon bébé, danse avec moi. Ma chérie. danse avec moi. Ma chérie, mon bébé, danse avec moi. Danse avec moi. S'il te plaît, je voudrais vivre un rêve, ne serait-ce qu'un instant. Oh, na 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 na. S'il te plaît, je voudrais vivre un rêve, ne serait-ce qu'un instant. Oh na 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 na. Danse avec moi. Ils disent partout que tu brises, mais ne vois pas les coulisses. Ils disent partout que tu brises, mais seul toi tu sais ce que tu vis. Tu sais ce que tu vis. Tu sais ce que tu vis.
As we talk, they say that is local dance with me. Very good song. When I say, Master, I don't want to talk plenty. Now, so we go for a wonderful thing that happen for the ground. Wonderful thing that happen. The thing I say, if no, yapa na drunkard. They say may watch the video. They may change your life. May they put the video. After Christmas, my big man don't drink fine. He don't drink. At the one winner. Even when I come me don't draw, they say when so far the buyer will drink. See way they happen. So far as there is a buyer, we will drink. Now that. I say na shadow for motor make a maboko. See. Then my problem I say wait. Now the man where he be the film that man he be the film now wait. He no be help that pa. Now very bad. The Android where you make yourself I even talk self at the cough. Now which kind balok this? Shadow for motor make a mapa. Mapa go enter in for this is the final say I want to say me una see D1 and then me una tell me the race for the dog. Una get to tell me the race. Next video. Avec my technician play video. Play video. Now bingo that or now who? That dog now bingo or now waiting. See. That dog don't tire. He don't tire. I know say that dog will usually drink a forecast. He don't tire. See. Dog stand for E1. No man. I me say. Now I can dog the way. When if man can your house, it just say please enter. It go show play with money there. Now I can dog them. Hi. Masamo do this thing. When they talk say monkey na first cousin for humans, na true. A monkey is the human being. A monkey is the first cousin of human being. Maybe I not talk coughing for you. Now first cousin for human being. I will tell you. You go to play. You play with monkey. Play with monkey so that you give gun. No. You give gun. The monkey to don't say. Yeah. Monkey. Una don't see rebel leader. Now una be rebel. Una don't see rebel leader. Monkey. Yeah. I don't tell una say monkey. No. I didn't una. See what They give monkey gun. Monkey start shooting.
Oh boy, matou um boy. Você não fala
Now we go for next video. Now wonderful thing in that way it happen. Wonderful thing. That means that remedy don't drink so this rap pa 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 pa. Skiddy pa pa. Remedy. If you know feel where I hear you live am. You live or no?
The thing goes
I will tell you now.
Yo, boom. The thing goes
I will tell you now. If you don't know how to go down here where I hear you live am.
The thing goes
Live am.
raw sauce.
I know.
Yo, boom.
Then I see the way. When you go for market to go buy shoe,
Raw sauce.
if you feel where you na ya salamander, buy you na ya salamander. If na ya two ropes buy, no buy it we go disgrace you. It ain't disgrace them, mami so things. Pa 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 pa. Skiddy dick pa pa. Herum tum 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 tum. Chai that boy don't have man. Do you want look at your any man when he marry this kind of woman, may he no ever cheat for his life. No ever cheat. No ever cheat. Una see how woman dey play with collar. See as he dey play with collar. Dr. Cap. Because I know you do so you over like.
No, ya saben, ya yo le mandé video.
As you don't marry this one so bam. Don't give your life for Christ. Just kissing. No chance, no again. See, and I see that begin or actually come on a kumba. See, when you play with Nancy, you want go run pass for now same along. Small time they say no, not talent. It's not talent that.
Ya, está grabando.
They need to play with knives, so
Ay, Dios mío, santo.
I also know knife na collapse. Awasha. Wonderful. Me will leave this thing so me will go for another musical break and then after we go come back with nyang things in the Cameroon 237 industry. Nyang things. Music, please. See, next.
Whisky, soda, champagne, Dangwele Mbangunda.
Tu me parles dans le mimbo, ah papa mimbo, tu me gonfles dans le mimbo, comment maman mimbo, et sois mimbo, ah mimbo.
Sans décoller, voyager. Sans décoller, voyager. Sans décoller, voyager.
C'est le genre de way qui tient ta life. Mimbo rabi c'est partout, partout, partout. À l'heure de la fête, mimbo linga linga linga. Laisse la joie monter en toi.
Everybody show your color. Tout ce que je vois là j'adore. Dancing and we drinking limbo. Everybody show your color. Tout ce que je vois là j'adore. Dancing and we drinking limbo. Oh yeah.
Tu me parles dans le mimbo, ah papa mimbo, tu me gonfles dans le mimbo, comment maman mimbo, j'ai soif hein mimbo, ah donne-moi mimbo.
Sans décoller, voyager. Sans décoller, voyager. Sans décoller, voyager. Sarah Monacho.
Come on, let's go. One day, if you give it one second, from last week to so
That one na Mimbo by Petit Pays. You see and I say if Petit Pays no bigger sense, le yitu for do die le other musician name. That man tonton get sense say Mimbo. What that Mimbo do now with you? I don't know. Now they will young things. That means say things the way they just happen and the one the way they just happen. It is shown as say X Virus don't release a new song. Anything for you. Hey! XV. I only hope say you no go talk that una Chris Banso for the song. Because say people get for Yera. The song do already come out. Una go for YouTube, Facebook, X Virus. Una go get the song for there. Now we go to Slick Babylonian. Slick Babylonian say the song in name na Human Palava. Palava woman no go ever change for the ground because the way for be better if we know bigger woman, if we begin na only man picking the way for better. So Slick Babylonian, una go for Slick Babylonian WhatsApp. Una go for a Facebook, una go for a YouTube and things like that. Next one na nyang things the one get for still come out na links. Oh, that peripheral wonderful soup. Oh.
It's my path again.
Links. And the song they come out this Saturday, that is on the 27th. They will reveal the video. May all we will enjoy them. The song in name now Missing You. Wherever you be hunter, how will you miss? Oh nah. I don't understand. We'll go for the next one. Napsisu is a you don't release. The song in name na Ndolo. Na adaba kurege for Oboyatawa, I don't understand Napsis. Buba no so mbakorege for Oboyatawa in name Nandolo. Nai.
Morning star.
Oh, yeah. Pass me the team. Baby girl, make you pass me the team.
Baby.
Pass me the team. Baby girl, make you pass me the team.
Napsis to say, he too don't release the song in name Nandolo. So, all man una go for YouTube, una go for Facebook, una go for Twitter, una go for WhatsApp, una go get the song. The song in name na Ndolo. So now we go for Prado DJ featuring Big G. Hey, the song in name na Graduation. Graduation. Yes.
Amend the music.
Big G, you graduate now from waiting.
Spectacular.
Now from
DJ
smoking to
Brado.
non-smoking or now waiting.
Big G Baba.
Or you graduate now from open eye to non-open eye.
Today na my graduation. Today na my graduation.
Yeah, so una go for YouTube. Una go for Facebook, una go see the song today. Say the song in name na Graduation. What are Big G graduate now from with you? No. But you be graduation because last time I know see you were up. Then you graduate now for waiting. Anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, now all the fine things that we get about una today, I know say me una ever keep the rendezvous with me. The name na Big Bao Kupo Wondibo Wotwalibi Watagadabum alias this in Chatangang Mulo. The man will be there back the machine where the tosh this in I don't forget his name. But anyhow, I'll tell you now the next time. And then to the other man for sound. Now man from that other man name too, I don't forget. Una begin una name for the paper, Una bukiri drive una name for the paper. And then producer to Ide, I don't know his name. I don't forget. I don't see next time technician. Next time una kira his name for the paper. I don't like the nonsense. We'll go see una next time for the very kind time, for the very kind day where na go da Orongo the program is done over. Thank una plenty.
Too much money no be problem. I give you money, you act like a tank. Now money make monkey handsome.